I heard that there's this Kate Somerville product that is literally like a facial in a bottle. We're talking the holy grail of skincare, said to give you the most glowing skin ever. So I'm so excited to be here at the Kate Somerville Clinic in Los Angeles to try out the Exfoliate to see what it's all about. What do you guys say we go in and check it out? Okay, you guys, the magic is about to happen. This is Kelly, the beautiful esthetician who's going to be performing my facial today.
Hi, Drew. So we're gonna do the Platinum Facial with the Light Stim, and it's gonna be a really nice exfoliating, hydrating facial.
It's been too long. Let's do it.
Let's get started. So first step, we're gonna cleanse you with the Gentle Daily Wash. This has lavender and bergamot in it, and it's just gonna really cleanse your skin and wipe off the impurities. And then we're gonna steam so we can get your pores nice and open and you can detox a little bit. So now we're gonna wipe off your cleanser and get you all ready for the ultrasound.
Ooh, didn't know I was pregnant.
So this is the ultrasound. This is great for exfoliation and lymphatic drainage. It's a skin spatula that helps to kind of loosen up the debris in the pores. So when I do your extractions, it'll be a lot easier to do so. Okay, so this is the Exfoliate. This is a papaya and pineapple enzyme scrub and mask. This really helps to keep your pores nice and clean and your skin soft and glowing. When you're using this at home, you can just wet your fingers and apply it that way. Here at the clinic, I like to apply it with the brush and a little bit of water. So this Exfoliate, you're gonna use 1 to 2 times a week at home, and I wouldn't leave it on any more than 2 minutes.
So say someone has really sensitive skin, can you leave it on for longer than 2 minutes, or should you leave it on for less? How does that work?
I would leave it on for less. You can just kind of scrub it on and then rinse it right off, and it will still give you a really good exfoliation.
And then how often did you say?
1 to 2 times a week. If you do have really sensitive skin, you can just do once a week.
Okay, so in daily skincare routines, say I'm using other acids or retinol products, is it okay to also use the Exfoliate with it, or is that a big no-no?
I would refrain from using any other retinols or acids the day of use of your Exfoliate use.
Okay.
So you'll use your Exfoliate and then follow up with your hydrating serums and moisturizers. So you just want to use like a dollop, like a dime size amount on your skin, and that should be enough to go around. So for the facial, I like to use a hot steam towel to remove the Exfoliate, but when you're doing it at home, you can just use water. So I'm gonna put some goggles on you. We're gonna do extractions now. I'm gonna take a look under the mag lamp and see your pores. This is a hydrating oxygen treatment using hyaluronic acid and vitamins. First, I'll spray the serum onto your skin and then push it in with the oxygen. It feels really nice and refreshing. So now I'm pushing the serum into your skin with the hyperbaric pressurized oxygen. This will instantly plump and hydrate your skin. This is an anti-aging LED light that really repairs the tissue and stimulates the collagen. So I'm gonna put some goggles on you because it's just a little bit bright, and you're gonna be under this light for 20 minutes. It'll take a couple minutes for your eyes to adjust, and then hopefully you'll be able to relax. This is the Dermal Quench, a hydrating spray. This just really instantly plumps and hydrates. So this is a firming serum from our Kate Ceutical line. This is just really hydrating and anti-aging.
What's this?
This is our K8 peptide cream. And this is really moisturizing. It helps to lock in your hydrating serums.
Can you use all of the products that you put on me today every day?
You can. This is your AM and PM regimen.
Oh my God, I just had the best facial I've ever had in my life. Seriously, you guys, my skin feels unreal. The good news is that the Exfoliate Intensive is part of add-ons this month, so you can have an at-home facial too. And thank you so much to the Kate Somerville Clinic here in Los Angeles for having me. This was the best day ever. You guys are awesome. Mwah!